Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Raya Box number 7. This puzzle was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of the Raya Box number 7 is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces inside the box in such a way that no parts will be sticking out and there will be no gaps between parts. This puzzle has 6 parts. And I will show them to you now. There are 4 L-shaped parts. Let's remove the last piece. It will be not so easy to remove them since the box has a restriction. As you can see, there is an acrylic piece here that hides a part of the box, and you can put parts inside only here. For example, if you put the L-shaped piece here, you can put it only like that. You can't put it here or here. And also you can put it like that inside. So the restriction is very important here. This puzzle has 4 L-shaped parts and 2 parts that look like that. They are exactly the same, and you have to put all of them inside the box, which will be quite a challenge. The size of the box is 3 by 4 by 2 voxels, so it's not a big box, but the restriction on top makes it quite complicated to put all parts inside. The Raya Box number 7 is a part of Raya Box series from Yavuz Demirhan. There is a name of the box on the bottom with its number, as well as the logo of the puzzle designer. All puzzles from this series are made from the same material. They have all the same style, but the solutions are different, since in some of them the parts are different, in some of them the restriction on top is different. So all puzzles are amazing. They have all unique solutions and very fun to solve them. If you like the Raya Box number 7 and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other puzzles from Raya Box series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.